Ever wonder why that Venmo transfer is still pending when you actually need the cash? I've been there, staring at my screen, wondering where my money went. After a few frantic calls to support and some digging, I realized that most delays boil down to a few specific reasons that are actually pretty easy to avoid once you know them. First, check the clock. If you're doing a standard transfer, Venmo uses the ACH network. If you initiate that transfer after 7 p.m. Eastern on a weekday, or any time on a weekend or holiday, the clock doesn't even start ticking until the next business day. I once sent a transfer on a Friday night and didn't see it until Tuesday. That's because the bank didn't even see the request until Monday morning. Second, your transfer might be stuck in a security review. Venmo's algorithm flags anything that looks out of the ordinary, like a larger than usual amount or a transfer to a new bank account. I found out the hard way that if you haven't completed your identity verification in the app, they're much more likely to hold your funds for a manual review, which can add days to the timeline. Finally, keep an eye on your instant transfer eligibility. Even if you pay the fee for an instant transfer, it can still take up to 30 minutes. If it takes longer, it's usually because your bank doesn't support real-time payments or there's a mismatch between your legal name on Venmo and the name on your bank account. If you're stuck, double-check your bank info and make sure your app is updated. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.